हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? फ्रेंड्स, कर्मण्यव्यधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य नाहि प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा। कर्म करेंगे तो उसका फल भी मिलेगा, लेकिन फल की इच्छा नहीं करते हैं, कर्म करते जाते हैं। और कर्म करने के लिए शेर को भी कर्म करना पड़ता है। सोए हुए सिंह के मुंह में हिरण खुद नहीं जाता। राइट? कर्मण्यव्यधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचिन सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य नाहि प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा। तो सुबह से मेडिटेशन में जाकर पहले लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन, राइट साइड ऑफ ब्रेन, all energies, bring them here, right? Pay attention in the middle of the eyebrows. Bring yourself to zero. Shunya, no thought area, no zone area, no thought area, shunya, zero zone area, and then come to that level which is neutral. Both sides energies, they dissolve, and that is where you find peace, total silence, which is the source also. But needless to say, the source is there within you, right? That's the first step, and that is the last step also. At night also we do the same, in the morning also we do the same, and after that we vibrate. How do I do that? I totally merge in bhakti yoga, remaining conscious of the fact that now we are vibrating the field with bhakti yoga. और भक्ति योग में हम अपने कंसर्न्स, अपनी आराधना, अपनी निष्ठा में भगवान का ध्यान उन लोगों की तरफ भी लेके जाते हैं जहाँ पे हमारे कुछ कार्य संपूर्ण होने बाकी हैं। हम रोज़ करते हैं और हम ईश्वर से लगातार प्रार्थना करते हैं कि हे ईश्वर, हे परमात्मा, उन लोगों का ध्यान भी उस तरफ लाएं जो कि हमारे अधूरे काम संपूर्ण करने में हमारी मदद करें। एंड नीडलेस टू से, आई कैन सी द एनर्जीज आर मूविंग and people are responding, and we are getting whatever we have to get in return. That is my way of doing it, because this is evolution of consciousness, right? Because चेतन स्वरूप व्यक्ति अपना कर्तव्य करता जाता है लगातार और निष्ठा से करते जाता है। विद टोटल डिवोशन, टोटल डेडिकेशन वी गो ऑन वर्किंग। लाइफ इज अ गेम, लाइफ इज अ गेम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस. For human beings, it's a game of consciousness. The more your conscious efforts are, the more you will enjoy, and the more your soul will feel fulfilled in the game. Because this is not only relating to the body, this is not only relating to the thought. Eventually, you have been given this image to fulfill your role as that in the image of which you have been created. तो जिस सूरत में आपको बनाया गया है, जिस सीरत के लिए बनाया गया है, जिसका प्रदर्शन, जिसकी व्याख्या करने के लिए आपको बनाया गया है, हम उसी का रोल अदा करते हुए जब चलते हैं तो हमें ज़रूर मज़ा आता है। हमें खेल में मज़ा आता ही आता है। लेकिन मैंने देखा है कि इस खेल में चलते चलते कहीं कहीं, बिकॉज पीपल आर वेरी बिजी, लाफ्टर, स्माइल, स्पोर्ट्स, ये सारी चीज़ें मिसिंग होती जा रही हैं. These things are getting missed out because in the nitty-gritty of the life, or in the hustle bustle of life, we are forgetting our real selves, and we bring that attention of everybody to the real self. That first you feel yourself, you enjoy the game of the self, you realize the self within yourself early morning through meditation, and then proceed further. तो देखिए यहाँ पे Kannapolis में my younger son Rahul, he plays in the Kilburn Stadium, but I've told him umpteen times that you should make a video and put it, give me that so that I can display on the social media. People will get to know that you're playing cricket in America is something which is not commonly played, but it is being played. But there is no sign of that, there is no symbol of that. Therefore, I say that, कि अगर आप खेलते हैं तो गेम इज सच अ ग्रेट इंस्पिरेशन फॉर यंग पीपल. मैनी पीपल विल गेट मोटिवेटेड. ओके, ही इज प्लेइंग, आई विल ऑल्सो प्ले. एंड व्हेन यू गो देयर यू मीट सो मेनी पीपल, एटलीस्ट 10-11 people. Needless to say, you will meet the spectators also. and they come from different culture, they come from different origin, and they have got their own lifestyle. But here in the game, the lifestyle becomes one. The games, they represent unity, and unity is of the consciousness only, because it's not if they're playing games they are not conscious. They are more than conscious beings, because they are putting in their energy in that channel where they can manifest their energies, while playing sixers or fourers or whatever it is. So when you meet people, you come across so many people from different walks of life. That is growth, because then you get to know many more things. You're exposed into a different kind of environment also, where it's all electrifying, and the stadium is there, and it's such a beautiful stadium here, Kilburn Stadium. I just saw it on the online, but I would say that we have to pay attention after knowing that who we are, after you know feeling the self, after realizing the self, we talk about the concerns, where we feel that consciousness can still inspire others also, it can motivate others also. Many people will join, if we tell them that this is what is happening here. And I would say that I as far as monies is concerned, our work is pending. But the point here is that जो भी योगी कोई अपना काम करता है, वो अपना काम हमेशा पूरा करता है, और उसके लिए उसको जो भी कोशिश करनी पड़ती है वो करता है. एंड आई मेक दैट मूवमेंट लिटिल बिट ऑफ एवरी डे. आई प्रे, आई टेक देयर नेम्स. Monty is there, Amit is there, and R.K. Kohli is there, and I talk to them in my vision. I visualize them and I give them energy that they should be able to complete the work as fast as possible. This is how I do it, and I announce it also, because that's my way of doing things. And wherever, now supposing wherever I feel that this area can be more energized, like sports, I do say that, okay, comedy, yes, because this is all play of consciousness, nothing else. हम सब चेतन स्वरूप हैं, और सब चेतना के रूप हैं, सब अलग अलग रूप हैं. कोई योगी का रूप है, कोई भोगी का रूप है, और कोई खेलने का रूप है, और कोई आराधना का रूप है, और कोई डिवोशन का रूप है. अलग अलग तरीके से लोग आपके सामने आते हैं. किसी की पॉलिटिकल एनर्जी है, बट दीज आर ऑल एनर्जीज एंड डिफरेंट पीपल. बट एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर यूजिंग योर एनर्जीज फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी, then we will say that consciousness is definitely evolving. And अपनी सारी एनर्जीज को दिन में कंज्यूम करके, जब हम रात के टाइम when we go, we bring again mind to the zero zone and sleep well, and then next day again we start with the new energy. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned, happy, healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow.